Hello and welcome back to our channel where we compare the latest technology products in the market. Today we have two power-packed processors to compare, the Intel Core i5-12400 and the AMD Ryzen 75800X3D. If you're looking for an upgrade, then watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Both Intel and AMD are known for their high-performance processors. However, after rigorous testing, we can confidently say that the AMD Ryzen 75800X3D takes the lead. With 8 cores and 16 processing threads, along with AMD 3D V-Cache technology, it delivers unparalleled performance that the Intel Core i5-12400 simply can't match. When it comes to price, the Intel Core i5-12400 is definitely the more budget-friendly option. At $182, it's a steal for what it offers. However, the AMD Ryzen 75800X3D, priced at $319, does come with some advanced features, making it worth the extra bucks if you're a power user. If you're a gamer or a graphic designer, then you'll definitely appreciate the AMD Ryzen 75800X3D's capabilities. With DDR4-3200 support and a whopping 100 megabytes cache, it can handle intense graphics and video editing software without breaking a sweat. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-12400's built-in Intel UHD Graphics 730 controller is decent, but falls short in comparison to AMD's offering. And that's a wrap, folks. While the Intel Core i5-12400 is budget-friendly and a good option for everyday computing tasks, the AMD Ryzen 75800X3D is the clear winner in terms of overall performance and advanced features. We hope this comparison helped you in making a decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.